What is up, guys? My name is Daniel. I hope everyone had a very happy Thanksgiving. And in today's video, I've got my 2021 Ford F-150 with the 5-liter Coyote. I want to show you guys my MBRP exhaust, and I'll tell you why I chose to go with MBRP. Hope you guys enjoy the video.
It's all right. Hush.
I want to give you guys a couple of different perspectives. I'll do in the cab of the truck. I'm going to do stock cold start with the MBRP exhaust with some revs, and I'll give you a perspective of the truck driving away. I want to give you guys a perspective from inside of the cab of the truck. I'm going to do a simple acceleration, just a normal acceleration, and then we'll do an aggressive one. All right, we're at highway speeds now. We're in 10th gear. Cylinder deactivation in these trucks is quite aggressive. I don't know if you can hear it, and hopefully that you can. We're actually in cylinder deactivation right now, but it gets a lot louder. So we're going to spin around and we'll give you an aggressive acceleration. Now we're going to do the aggressive acceleration. Let you guys hear that. So even though it's nice low notes, it sounds really good. If you've got your foot in it, you're going to hear it. It sounds really good. I like that it doesn't pop and crack. I like the deep low notes. And hopefully you guys that are out there shopping for an exhaust system, hopefully this helps you guys. Guys, what I like about the MBRP Installer Series is that it doesn't pop and crack, and it doesn't wake all of my neighbors up, when I cold start the truck in the morning. It's a really good, deep, low tone. And, if you want the popping and cracking, then this exhaust system is probably not for you. I got mine off of Summit Racing, the whole catback system from the catback for $479.99 plus tax. And I also got the expedited shipping, so it cost me a little bit more. But that's about what the system's gonna cost you. You know, I hope you guys found this helpful if you're out there trying to choose your exhaust systems. And thanks for watching, guys. If you wouldn't mind, hit that subscribe button, like, share it, hit the bell so you know when I make new videos. Thanks, guys. Peace.